Hello everybody, this is Dr. Thunder. Today, I would like to show you how to solve a US high school physics competition question. This is a question number 23 of 2025 F equals MA exam. So a student conducted an experiment to determine the spring constant of a spring constant K of spring using a ruler and two different weighing scales. The measured elongation of the spring was 1.5 centimeter, and the smallest division of the ruler was 1 millimeter. The mass of the attached weight here was measured using two different scales in the lab, yielding values of 198 gram and 210 gram. The student also found that the local acceleration due to gravity is given as 9.806 plus minus 0.001. Then we want to find out the percent error in measuring the spring constant. So we know that for this system, mg equals kl. L is the elongation of the spring relative to its relaxed length. So we rewrite this equation as k equal mg over L. So k is a function of three variables, m, g, and L. These three variables are independent from each other. So based on the propagation of the uncertainty, sk squared equal to this expression. So partial derivative k and relative to m is, and then this term is partial derivative of k with respect to g, and this one is with respect to L. And S is the standard deviation. Sk is standard deviation of k. So we have this formula. Then partial derivative of k with respect to m. From here, it will equal to g over L. So we calculate for this term, it will become m over L. And partial derivative of k with respect to L will be mg over L squared. So then we divided this equation by k squared. So we have this. We know that the error here, for example, Sm over m is 6 over 204 because they measure this weight twice. One is 198 gram and the other is 210 gram. So the average is 204 gram, and then the error is 6 gram. Again, for the gravity constant g, so Sg over g, as the question tells us, is 0.001 over 9.806. And then for the length of the spring, L, SL over L is 0.5 millimeter, because the question tells us the smallest division of the ruler was 1 millimeter, so the error is 0.5 millimeter over the length. The elongation of the spring is 1.5 centimeter or 15 millimeter. So we plug these values into this equation, we can get sk squared over k squared is 0.0198. So sk over k is about 4.4%, which is answer B. So thank you for viewing. If you think my tutorial is helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe.